Hey guys, it's Raleigh Mason here again with Mejaro Inspection Services. Today we're looking at another deck. We're talking about ledger boards and how they should be attached. You can see this ledger board does have some flashing at the top of the edge. It doesn't have anything running along in between the ledger and the house, though, down to the very bottom, what's called Z flashing. It's very important to keep that bottom plate that you can see there running along the wall from getting wet, and that is taking on moisture. The other thing we're going to point out is the fact that you've got your bolts that are attaching the ledger are up and down from each other. You really need those staggered diagonal method, and you want to have them about every other bay, which they do. That's great. However, you want those again on a diagonal pattern, not up and down. Of course, one of the worst things on this one here is you've got these bolts that attach the band board to the ledger board right underneath the stair stringer, and you can see they're at an angle because they don't have a good way to attach it. They already had siding onto this house when they built this deck, so that's not a very solid connection. You probably want posts on this inside corner to stabilize that out and make it safe.